So today's tips and trick video we're going to look at is going to be using the rotate command. So if we take a wall, for example, and we go ahead and we create similar and we draw it on an angle, alright, as you've seen before, if you bring in a component, and we'll use just a cabinet as the example, you can push the cabinet in, you can hit the space bar, and you can rotate the object. If you put that object along an angled wall and you hit the space bar, it will rotate in relationship to the angle of that wall. Okay, so that's if we have an actual component that we're placing in our structure or in our model that we can use the space bar. Well, once an object is placed, okay, and you need to rotate it for whatever reason, you're going to select the object and you're going to use the actual rotate command. Okay, well, when you use the rotate command by default, you'll notice that the rotating position is the center of the object. So if I click it, I'm now rotating that object based upon the center of it. Well, the other option you have is when you click on the rotate command, you can zoom in and you'll notice that this rotate symbol here in the middle turns from orange to a green. When it's actually a green color, you can click on it and keep the mouse button held down, and you can actually drag it to a new position. So now, instead of rotating it based upon the center, we can actually rotate it based upon a particular pivot point. So this comes in handy when you're trying to rotate an object, or when you're trying to line an object up based upon a certain angle and you don't know the exact angle. You can basically set the corner of the object at that component. So for example, even here, if I wanted to rotate this cabinet based upon the angle of this wall, okay, I can place this, I can say rotate, and I can drag my cursor up to that corner, and now when I rotate it, I can rotate it right along that angle. Alright, so hopefully this will work out well. Hopefully it'll allow you to set things at certain angles without having to try to figure out what the angle is or guessing what the angle is.